Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. It's Saturday, it's a lovely day, end of March, and we might, or we're hoping to, launch the Titanic. There it is, all covered up in its full glory. And there's the bosun. We haven't named the bosun yet, but there's bosun and the Titanic. Now I'm going to launch Titanic today. Hopefully it doesn't sink. Bit nervous because last time I launched Titanic it sunk, hence Titanic. Now we've been trying all sorts of bits and pieces, between experimenting. I did last year make a furling, pulls the jib in, the little sail. This year not so successful. I tried it yesterday. I was here for quite a few hours trying to make it work and it doesn't work. But we'll change it a little bit. We need to put a stainless steel pole and then the sail can go around the stainless steel pole. But I'm not doing that today. I'm not even going to put a jib up today, the front sail. I'm just going to go out on the main sail, one sail, and then we'll try other things another day. Now I did put a blue mainsail up on this, that belongs to the bosun's, and I found in my little sail attic, as they call it, the actual sail for that boat. Didn't know I had it, so I'm going to change that over before we go out. It's much bigger sail. The car's littered with what I call rubbish. Look, there's drills, there's stainless steel nuts and bolts, life jackets, and that's the mainsail. It's got on it first choice for Kestrel to be used. I did sort out all the sails and I tidied them up quite a few months ago throughout the winter, and I labelled them up, and there it is, first choice for the Kestrel, and that is actual sail for the Kestrel. So I'm going to swap it over. I'm not going to use the bosun sail, I use the proper sail, and I'll set that up now, get the cover off, and hopefully launch the boat, and I will leave it near the sea. I'm not going to bring it over here. I'll put it near the sea. Right, so here we are. You can see the blue sail doesn't belong to that boat. You can see the other sail waiting to come out. This is the bosun, nearly ready to be launched. In fact, I could launch that today, but I'm not going to. I'll take the Titanic first, see how that goes. And you can see the blue sail on this particular one. We have got another one of these still at the workshop waiting for some more work to be done on it. It's not a problem. So I'm going to take this blue sail out, put it inside this bosun, and I'll take it home ready for the next bosun. So everyone's got its right sails, which is perfect really. Oh, by the way, we have got a new rudder on this particular bosun. I've tried out all sorts of experiments and this one's come out best. Works really, really well. You just pull that rope up and the rudder just flips down. That's it. That's all you got to do. So easy. Once you pass the rocks, this is really, really easy mechanism. Look out for the previous videos. But this one's the old style. Undo the red rope, that kind of half goes down, and then you have to get to the back of the boat and push it right down manually. There we are, all ready to go. We've got the new sail on. I haven't hoisted it up yet. Hopefully it fits, because I do believe this mast is for another boat. Not too sure, guys. Anyway, if it fits, it fits, eh guys? I'm not going to try it here. I'm going to take it over with the car near the sea, and then I'll put the mainsail up and see if it fits. We'll cover up the bosun for today, put our tools away, and then launch, because I do believe the wind's going to pick up this afternoon. I don't want to be out there in a 12, 13. It's fine now, but 12, 13 kilometers is too fast for me at the moment, especially on the Titanic. I don't want anything to go wrong. Right, we better tidy up the bosun. Got spare rope everywhere, a spare sail now. That's for the other boat. I'm going to put everything in here, guys, and put the cover on. Should be fine for today. As I say, I want to get out as fast as possible. Oh, I want to launch it as fast as possible anyway, before that wind picks up too much. As you can see, the cover on this particular boat is made with an old sail. I found this down the dump when I was throwing stuff out, and I think it's from a catamaran, not too sure. Oh, not very good. Look, it started to rip. Oh dear. I did glue it and reinforce it. Not very good. Anyway, what I do is I'll put some eyelets in there, reinforce that. See, it's all experimental, isn't it, guys? What a shame. Look at that. Quite fragile, isn't it? Anyway, that'll do for now. Doesn't matter. Bit at a time, eh guys? Experiment. If it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, we can move on and do something alternative, like this on the jib. Now this, now this jib halyard, we do not want to lose. Which one is it? It's that. Let's tie that somewhere. We do not want to lose that again. Last time I launched Titanic, I did lose one of the halyards, or the ropes that go up to the top of the mast, and that's the reason why it sunk, because I tipped it upside down and then realised it wasn't seaworthy and it sunk. There's a cleat here. There's an old cleat there. I'll use that for today. That should be fine. Right, we're there. Which way's the wind going, guys? It's going in that direction. So if I take the boat and face it towards the wind, just got to unhitch it, face that way there, and then I'll put the sail up and then straight in the sea. Anyone tell me I put the sail round the wrong way? I was wondering why that pulley was there. Never mind. Right, let's take that off again, shall we? Start again, silly Billy. Well, that was an easy fix, guys. Not too bad. Took about 2 or 3 minutes. So we're back to square one. I'm going to hoist the sail up. It's quite a good sail, actually. Can you see it's crispy? Yeah. And apparently it's good that it's crispy, because it doesn't let the wind through it. On the bosun's ones, it's quite soft material, and it means they might be worn out, they might be very old, and it lets the wind through. Not that I mind, not that I care, but anyway, I prefer the little soft ones. But anyway, it apparently crunchier the better. Now that's called a gooseneck. That needs to come down really to about there, but I like the boom quite high because it keeps hitting my head and it hurts. So I'm just going to leave it. It's a bit saggy on the bottom. That's fine, guys. This is the main sheet, as they call it, that pulls the sheet and the boom in, as you catch the wind. It's a bit tangled up, I'll do that in a minute. This is called the downhaul. It's got a little pulley, you see. I'll put a bit of rope round there and I'll use this cleat here to pull it down for today. Then I need to put another cleat here or another one here for that, or the other side, but I'll do that another day. But fine as it is. Right, ready to launch. There it is over there. I'm not going to take the camera with me just in case, guys. You know what happened last time? It sunk, and we don't want the camera in our hand and panicking. So I'm going to launch it anyway. I'm going to tie it off on one of the little buoys, let it float around, and then I'm going to report back. Well guys, I've made it back. Sails absolutely wonderful. There we are. No leaks, just a tiny little one that was there last time I sailed the Titanic. It's not anything bad, so we should be all right. I can't locate it anyway. It's just a little drop here and there. So there it is. I've taken the sails down, and then I'll take the trolley, put it on the trolley, and I'll bring the car down. It's a lot easier with the car, and I'll find a new spot for it. Perhaps I'm going to put it back in its old spot. That was its old spot there, next to the rescue boat. The rescue boat's here at the moment, but one of the members is fixing that. It's got a puncture. So if that's out the way, I can put it back in its position there. Yeah guys, I think I'm going to put it right there where it was last year, and that's a lot easier to launch, because at the moment it's quite sandy here at the launching area, so it's very difficult. Right, we'll bring the car in, drag it up and stick it back where it belongs. Or if I can't get it there, guys, I'm going to put it over here in the meantime, next to my friend's bosun. He acquired that a couple of years ago from me, and that's why I bought two others, because I really love that boat. It sails so well, so I thought I'll get another one. Now I've changed my mind. I'm going to put it over there where the little boat normally goes. Oh, I'm in a bit of a kerfuffle. So there we are guys, the Titanic is back safe and sound. I've decided to take it and park it amongst these boats here. That way I can just get the car, bring it along this road here, stop at the right place, and then back it in. So that's really easy. I'm not going to put it next to the sand where I originally decided to put it. And I do believe last year it was there. It can get a bit sandy, hard to maneuver. Let's go over to the bosun. Now I am looking forward to launching the bosun, hopefully this week coming. Oh, careful. There it is. There it is. Oh, thank you very much. Are you going out sailing? It's going out sailing. So there we are guys. Now I think this is going to sail even better than the Titanic. We've got to name this boat as well, haven't we guys? It really hasn't got a name, has it guys, this boat? Maybe we should name it, eh guys? I'll tell you what, put your suggestions in the comments below and then we'll name this boat. I think it's going to sail beautifully. I've managed to fix the rudder, as I said before. So there it is guys, there's the rudder. Let me show you how it works. You've got this cleat here, and I might put another one further down up as well, about here, just in case this one doesn't work as well. And all you do, once you've left the rocks, you just pull it up like this and it should drop. Off you go, drop. There. Bit of persuasion. Of course you can pull the rudder up to help it, and now it's locked in position. There, I'll put my foot on it. There, that's locked. There we are. Once you hold that, it's locked. Now when you do want to come in and you want the rudder back up, you're going to have to stand up on the boat where you are and just lift on the rope, and there it is, it's up. Put it through the cleat, and this is why I want to put another cleat further down, because it's going to be a little bit awkward. Oops, sorry about that, I've done it with the camera. There, and just put that through there and cleat that off, and now you're ready to go in. Now the whole point of it, guys, is when you leave you can just drop the rudder, it's really easy, and sail along. And when obviously when you're coming back, you've got a little bit more time, you can pull the rudder back up. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did, guys. A lovely sail in the Titanic. Looking forward to launching the Bosun and maybe naming it as well. And I think the Bosun's going to be a lot easier to launch. Well, we'll find that out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.